Hey guys, so if you want a logo made or just want to design one yourself, I'm about to show you how to make a logo in less than 3 minutes. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. I use this app called Canva. I pay $12 a month for it. I use it to make YouTube thumbnails, business logos for clients, ebooks, the list goes on. Videos, you can do anything with this app really. So right here I took a template. They have a bunch of different templates you can choose from if you want to make a logo. I took this one just to delete everything off of it. I'm gonna start fresh. And what I do is go to the main menu. You got elements where you can pick different types of 3D elements or 2D elements just to add to your logo or to your picture or video, whatever it is you're trying to do. They also have uploads, text, drawings, other products you can add, apps, photos, audio. It goes on. It's crazy. It's a very, very useful app. So as you see here, I'm scrolling. I'm typing in real estate logos. Boom. Giving me a bunch of templates. So I'm going to choose. I'm still trying to decide which one. I mean, they all look nice, but you can take these actual templates, and once you pick one, you can just edit it, add your business name to it, whatever it is you want to do. So I like the white and gold one. So I think I'm going to go with that one. So yeah, real estate. Your slogan here. Now, this is my little cheat code I use. I go to ChatGPT. This is artificial intelligence. As you see, I'm writing in the prompt, write me a list of slogans. Not just any list of slogans, but you gotta be more specific, of intriguing slogans for a real estate company. Now, watch this. This is where the magic happens. Yep. As I'm typing. Boom. Give me a whole list of different slogans to add. So right here, I just go through the list real quick. I skim through it. I pick one that I like the most. So I'm just looking. I don't want it to be too long or too short. So exceptional living starts here. Boom. Copy that. Go back to the app, Canva. Where it says your slogan here, I just paste it in there. Just off of my iPhone. Boom. I have a logo. Now, if I want to, I can still change the color and the design of it. But I'm just trying to show you how to make a logo real quick within 3 minutes. So I'm going to add a name, shout out to Gordon Ramsay. I like watching the show. So we're going to call this one Ramsay Real Estate. There we go. Hit done. I go to the font size. Just make the font a little bit smaller so it can fit properly. Boom. There it is. Let me change the color. Show you how you can change the colors of it. Make it red if you want to. Boom. Now it's red. You can also change the color of the actual logo design right there as well. But we're not going to do all that. So I'm just going to hit that back arrow up top right there to undo. Make it gold again. And now I have a logo for my real estate company. It's that simple. You can use this method for any type of logo. Like and follow for more. And yeah, man, let's get it.